Welcome to another video. Today we'll be extending our UNO R4 portable solution with another simple educational project which will show the time via the LED matrix synced via NTP and then run using the RTC on board. This is ideal for the educational experience as it has no external hardware and covers multiple key concepts for the embedded world whilst also being encapsulated in an easy to set up portable solution. NTP is the Network Time Protocol which allows computers and devices to synchronize to a very accurate clock via the internet. RTC is the real-time clock module which is built into the UNO R4 Wi-Fi board, allowing for accurate time measurement with minimal drift, meaning the clock will run without internet access once the time is set, as we will see later in this video. You can download the portable solution or just the project from the instruction page linked in the description. So now we can open the solution, and at the top of the main sketch we can see the board package and libraries included in the portable solution. If you are opening this as the standalone project, you need to ensure these components are installed from the Micro Explorer. Don't forget, if you're using the portable solution, to right-click on this project and select the Set as Startup project to ensure this is the project which is compiled and uploaded to your board. As we can see in the code, it simply sets up the serial port, RTC module and Wi-Fi, and once connected to the Wi-Fi, request the time from the NTP server. Don't forget before you upload your project to set your Wi-Fi SSID and password in the secrets.h file and select the correct COM port for your board. Once it's uploaded and connected to the Wi-Fi, you will see the scrolling clock on the LED matrix. You can disable the Wi-Fi from the serial monitor to show that only the RTC module is needed to keep the correct time, whilst power is applied to the board, of course. Simply open the serial monitor and enter an uppercase D to disable Wi-Fi or an uppercase E to enable it again, allowing you to demonstrate this functionality in the classroom. This, coupled with the serial or hardware debugger, give a simple and quick to set up project which allows for a variety of educational insights with repeatable results for you and your students. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and let us know in the comments if you have any other ideas you'd like to see demonstrated or explored.